The introduction of accelerator switch for the heat engine start. Only to adjust the accelerator to a big position is okay. For the cold engine start for the first time using, pull the accelerator to the largest, and then pull to the bottom to close the damper connected to the engine. Engine start show. First step, press the starting button. Second step, screw the power switch. Third step, press the starting button. Close. Press the emergency stop button to stop. If long time not use, screw the power switch back. Then pull the accelerator back. Remote controller show. Upwards. Backwards. Turn left. Turn right. 360 turning around. Cruise control performance. Click the cruise control switch on the right front position. Click the slow high-speed switch to adjust the speed. Right-click the cruise control switch to stop the cruise. Cutting head lifting up and down performance. Cutting head lifting up and down. The switch of the left upper corner is for lifting the cutting head up and down.